Good morning, my friends. Today I'm in Margate in Kent. I did drove over 4 hours. I'm here to see the biggest classic car show here in United Kingdom. Can I just give you facts and figures of this awesome and amazing show that I haven't been here now since the coronavirus. This is called the OHSORETRO Classic Car Show. They have been organizing this here where I am right now for 10 years. There's over 1,500 classic, vintage and retro cars and bikes, 50 plus club stands, special displays, live music all day, trade stands and auto jumble, 20 plus show and shine, awards and children's entertainment and lots more. If you are new to my channel, please smash that like button and subscribe, because I will be so grateful so I can continue making these awesome videos. Let's check it out, what's happening here, and hopefully I'm gonna find awesome cars and motorcycles and something special for all of us. Let's go. This is the Toyota Hiace, and this one actually has been modified. If you don't know what is that, actually that is solar panels. This guy is really smart. He's got the number 22. Now let's see what this guy did here. This is a right hand drive, and I reckon this does fold and perhaps will be a bed. He just took any space that he could use it. And how smart is that? Look at that. So you can cook from the inside or even from the outside, another compartment, and that is the toilet there.
Made into a trike.
Oh, I see. Was that too heavy?
Yeah.
Two iconic cars. The Ford Escort. Mercedes 500 SEK. BMW M3. I did have one actually, the same color. This is called Sturil Blue. It's got a cream interior. Guys, just for you to have an idea, look how many cars is here. I just said it's over 1,500 cars. I just can't see the end. I don't know even if I can do everything. Vauxhall Astra GT is really stunning. Peugeot's 205. This one is the daddiest, the GTI 1.9. A Ford Sierra Cosworth. This car is stunning. This is a Ford Fiesta RS 1.8 16 valves Volkswagen camper van. Are you kidding me? This is cool. He's got his own garden. One thing is for sure, it's full of webs. Vauxhall Cavalier CD, Vauxhall Senator 3 liter I 24 valves CD. The Ford Sierra 4x4 XR4 Ford Puma always makes me smile. Look at those OZ racing wheels. Volkswagen Golf Cabriolet. Gorgeous, this Volkswagen camper van. The Ford Capri injection, Ford RS Cosworth. Very cheap Ferrari is for sale, 9,500. No, this is not the 355. This is a replica and is based on a Toyota MR2. This is a Gilburn. It's my second time that I have seen. Ford Escort has been modified to such a high standard. There's a Star Wars, man. The Aston Martin Virage. This car now is so expensive. The Peugeot 106 Rally with a wide body kit. I think that is a dimmer. Ford GT40s. Look at this one. Look at the one with the more or less with the original color of the winning car. Ford Mustang. I think it's from 1967. There's a few more American cars there. Cadillac. We got a Jaguar there. Look at this V8, guys. Isn't it beautiful, this Corvette? Beautiful car, perhaps from the beginning of the 90s. Toyota Sora. Look, this very strong red with the pink. They look stunning. I do like them. There's a few more here. Vauxhall Astra GTE 16 valve. There's a few. There's a number 2 here. We got here another, the third. The modifications, they are outstanding. Look at that, I have just found the 4th. Here, another GTE. Look at those headers. This car is stunning. Look at that, is this an estate? Yes. Look at this stunning and mint Mini. It's for sale, so you can make an offer. But there's so many here. I have counted over 100 of them. Look at this one. Some of them, they are really stunning. This is a fast Mini. It lost the bonnet. Two American hot rods here. One in purple, the other in yellow. This is a Honda Z600. Did you know actually this car was sold between 1970 and 1972? The Nissan ZX twin turbo, the Caprice, I do like it. One of my uncles did that one. American pickups, they are cool. And look how beautiful is this GMC in blue. The Toyota MR2 Mark I Volkswagen camper van. Are you kidding me? It's got kayaks, it's got a windsurf board here. For sure this is not a push bike. You guessed it right, guys. This is a Corvette Stingray. This is a V8 with 427 brake horsepower. A Volkswagen Beetle, isn't it stunning? Two legend cars. Which one should we start first? I'll start with the Beetle. It's on air ride. This car is so beautiful. Even from the first time it came off the line in the 50s. How about the Porsche 924 in yellow? I could see you in Scotland. Volkswagen Golf GTI Mark II. Renault 5 GT Turbo. Such a big fan of this car. This is a Vauxhall Nova. Actually it's been cut more or less enough, so it turned into a pickup. They do have more than 100 cars here, like the Volkswagen Golfs that I saw, and the Minis as well. Look at the amount of work these people, they do on their cars. The American cars, they are big, they are slow, and they do oversteer around the corners. Perhaps you're right, but let me tell you, this Lincoln Continental that was used actually in the 70s and at the beginnings of 80s, actually some American presence, they did have them. Now look at this luxury car, left-hand drive. This is over 6 meters long. Nissan Datsun 260. This car is being modified such a high standard. The oil cooler. Oh, look at the detail on this car, it's just outstanding. Toyota Supra Mark I, something special and unique for yourselves, guys. This is a Volkswagen, I think is a transporter, but maybe I'm wrong. It says the LT35, whatever it is. Look, they adapted that 360 view at the top. And how cool is that? Because if you are in the top of a mountain, I presume they got children, because you can see them, they try to draw something. This is something unique. Look how many Ford Caprice there are here. I have seen over 50. The Volvo 850 TR5. This is stunning. Actually, they did use one of those actually to race in a British touring car racing. A Jeep Wrangler here has been well modified, stunning. The quality of the cars here is just outstanding, guys. I have done just half. The BMW 850, stunning with the BBS wheels. This is a Peugeot 306 GTI. I haven't seen one for years and years, and there's a few Peugeot 205s here, from the convertible to the hatchback. There's plenty of them here. Peugeot 405 MI 16 valve. I haven't seen one for donkeys. Are you kidding me? BMW M3. This car is stunning. Left and drive. Finally, these cars, they are coming up and up. It's another BMW. Look how beautiful is this one. Look at this, guys. It's been a long time that I haven't used a push bike. Not bad, eh? Look at that. Haha. This is a good reminder, guys. Please never speed. This is actually a Chrysler. The Mazda MX-5, this iconic car, and this side by side with the Honda Civic. Look at the modifications on this Chevy van. This is stunning. Wow. Look at the amount of work on the airbrush here on the side. The Pirates of Caribbean, of course. Hello, you sir. Are you kidding me? One of the most successful cars actually from Ford, would you believe it? This is called actually the Model T Tourer. There's another Corvette Stingray here, stunning. I do prefer this one. It comes with a T-bar where you will remove it, put it in the boot, and there you go, you got a convertible. Isn't huge, this Dodge pickup. A Nissan R33 GTS, stunning in this apple green. The Porsche 911 Carrera. An MG Metro here. Are you kidding? Look at the amount of work on this car. Actually, it's got a full roll cage. Renault 5 GT Turbo Stunner. Got another one here in grey. We got the TVR here, the convertible one. The wide body kit on this BMW 3 Series Estate looks stunning. Look at this, what is this? A replica car, a Ford Escort and a few Nissan Micra. Stunning, these Corvettes. Stingray, really stunning. Look at that, there's two of them here. Amazing interior in red. The TVR Cerebra Speed 6. This is stunning in British racing green. Porsche, the 944. A Ford Mondeo is the first one I have seen here, the Classic Car Show. The Lancia Stratos, this is stunning in this blue. Ford Transit. The amount of work of airbrush on this van is outstanding. Ford Sierra, are you kidding me? The guy just cut the car actually in half and made it as a pickup. I'm going to end my video here by the DeLorean. What a beautiful car. As you remember, I did show at the beginning. I had to show you this car because I'm a big fan of this Back to the Future 1, 2 and 3. And here I am going home. People, they are still coming. It's half 2 in the afternoon. I have seen all of the cars. Now let me to tell you, it was over actually 1,500 cars, and my goodness, it did blow me away. I have seen cars here that I haven't seen for years. As you know, I go to a lot of car shows, and to come here and see such a beautiful cars and so rare, some of them I never saw them, and that's why you need to come to a show like this. Oh, so retro. I have to take my hat off to these organizers, guys. Did you know actually was a sold out, yes, on internet. People, they couldn't come here and purchase a ticket, unfortunately, but there you go. That it tells you how amazing and popular is this show. Some of the cars now, they are starting living and going home. I had so much fun, guys. This was incredible. Look at that Fiesta. You tried to impress Mr. Wig. Nevertheless, look how many people. This is huge, guys. This is big and huge, and I was very impressed. Hope you enjoyed the video. I show you as much as I could, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.